Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another method of Python, which is maketrans. So this method is used mainly for creating a mapping table of the two arguments. Okay, so there are three scenarios where I'm using this method. So one by one, I will explain you each and every scenario. So for the first scenario, you can see that on line number 8, we are storing translation table into table 1. Variable name is table 1. And how we have to use this? So for that, you need to use this str. So just write str dot and then make trans. So what it will do, it will translate the string. It will take two arguments. So first argument is a e i o u and second argument is 1 2 3 4 5. So what it will do, it will translate the data in the terms of ASCII code. So here you can see that small a. So what it will do, it will map this small a with 1, then small e with 2, I with 3, o with 4 and u with 5, but in terms of ASCII code. Okay, so the output would be a dictionary in a key value pair. Like dictionary is something which hold key and value data. Okay, so key would be the first ASCII code of the first argument, first character, and value would be the second argument, first character in ASCII code. So let me run this. It would be more clear to you if I execute this. So for that, I will let me run this Python space session 40 dot py. So if I hit enter, it returns three tables. So for the first table, you can see 97 is mapped with 49, where 97 is the ASCII code of small a and 45 is the ASCII code of 1. Similarly, E is 101 and I is 105, O is 111 and U is 117. Accordingly, it will pick the other for value it will pick the ASCII code of second argument. 2 is 50 and then 3 is 51, 4 is 52 and 5 is 53. So likewise it will map the data. Okay, so this method is mainly used to provide the mapping table for two arguments in terms of ASCII code. Fine. Now see the second scenario. Here you can see that I am using small abc with xyz. So what it will do, it will convert the a with x in terms of it will map a with x in terms of ASCII code, b with y in terms of ASCII code, c with z in terms of ASCII code, and that is the output you can see here. Okay. Now third scenario, make sure that whenever you're using this mapping table means make trans method, it keep in mind that it is a case sensitive. It means small a is different from capital A. Small a has different ASCII code and capital A has different. So third scenario, you can see here I'm using str.maketrans. So this is the syntax you need to write in this way only. str.maketrans, and first a is replaced with, not replaced exactly, it is mapped with. So small a is mapped with capital A in terms of ASCII code. So 9765, then 9866 and 9967 for B and C. Okay, so it is quite simple method. Like it basically returns the mapping of two arguments in terms of ASCII code. So that's it. That's all about this make trans method, and the syntax is bit different. Here you need to use this str dot make trans, and inside the argument you can provide your data. Okay, so I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.